Of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress party, which, as you can see, is also in this image. And Jai Mahadev. And what that Rajnath Singh ji is looking very surprised. And what that Abhay Mudra shows, it is the next step of the evolution of the idea of facing the truth, fearlessness, and ahimsa. Satya and ahimsa, as Mahatma Gandhi used to say. And the Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important that you make others not scared, that you help others become fearless, that you help others become non-violent. So in a sense, the Abhay Mudra is the projection from Shivji to the rest of the world about these two ideas. Of course, these two ideas were used by us, all of us, when we fought the British. And they were put forth by Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister, of course, who has a direct connection with God, speaks directly to God. Yes, the Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly. Unlike with all humans, we are all biological. We are born, we die, but the Prime Minister is a non-biological being. And the Prime Minister says Gandhi is dead. And Gandhi was revived by a movie. I mean, can you understand the ignorance? That Gandhi is dead and a movie revived the father of the nation. No, Gandhi is not dead. Gandhi is alive. Now, another very interesting thing I noticed. Hanji.
That is not your problem. That is not your problem. It is not none of your business. It is not none of your business.
And there's another thing I noticed, that it is not just one religion that talks about courage. In fact, all our religions talk about courage. So, here is the religion of Islam.
आपसे ये अपेक्षा
ठीक है, मैं दिखाऊंगा नहीं सर, कैसे करूं? मैं समझाना चाहता हूं, वो समझा नहीं पा रहा हूं।
समझदार हैं यहाँ पर, सब चुनकर आते हैं।
सर, बात नहीं बन रही,
चुनकर भेजा है,
मजा नहीं आ रहा है।
जनता ने सबको चुनकर भेजा, आप एड्रेस करें। जनता ने,
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने शिवजी की फोटो दिखा दी है, गुस्सा हो गए। अब देखिए,
प्लीज मान्य सदस्य, मान्य सदस्य, आप
तो इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है, मैं पढ़ता हूं।
एड्रेस इधर करें,
ही सेड,
एड्रेस इधर करें मान्य सदस्य।
हाँ जी, सॉरी, इस्लाम में भी लिखा गया है, कुरान में, द प्रॉफिट पीस बी अपॉन हिम सेड, ही गॉड सेड, हैव नो फियर, आई एम विद यू हियरिंग एंड सीइंग। मतलब इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है कि डरना नहीं है। और जब इस्लाम में दुआ मांगी जाती है तो दोनों हाथ से, दाएं हाथ से अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देता है। उसके बाद गुरु नानक जी की ओर चलते हैं। वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा। जिस धर्म पर आप हर रोज आक्रमण करते हो, गुरु नानक जी जो